Happy weekend and good morning, online friends and family. And today is the day. We are finally starting off our vacation.
We are going on the beach and it's my sister's birthday at the beach.
That's exactly what we're gonna do. It's sister's birthday at the beach. We're gonna hit up a water park while we're there. Got a lot of friends meeting us there. And this kicks off our vacation. So you guys gonna see all that and on the channel. Yeah, we got the treat set out for Ezio. We can't bring him with us, so Ezio's got some treats here. You shake this can, it summons Ezio from wherever he is in the house. See, I shook the can. Here's Ezio. And there's Rory. And there's Evie. You ready to go to the beach? Yeah. You ready to go to the beach? Beach! Let's go! Mommy's coming. We're getting ready to leave, girls. You guys excited? All right, good deal. Speaking of Mommy, she did a great job getting this whole car packed up for the week. We got this thing on the top. It was full to the brim. We got the whole back seat, whole trunk. We got the whole trunk. Oh my goodness. Look at this. She's bringing more stuff.
Still adding stuff.
Oh, we got this cake. Check out this cake, guys. Check out that cake. All right, Daddy already messed up. Forgot to tie these straps down so they're like flapping in the wind and stuff, so Mommy pulled over and we'll get these taken care of. We're stopping for the gas break somewhere in North Carolina, not quite sure. Jen's inside, taking the girls to the bathroom. I'm pumping the gas. We're halfway there. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We'll see you there. We just got to Wilmington and we need to go shopping for all of our groceries. And starting yesterday, you have to have a mask on in the Walmart. So, yeah, mask time again. But we're gonna get some food for the girls, gonna get some food for us. They're in the bathroom right now. And then we're gonna head to the house. Jelly beans, you're right. Good eye. Come on.
But Dad, the next time we can buy jelly beans.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so the way we're doing this dinner situation on this beach trip is we're all picking a day and we're all making dinner. And tomorrow is our day, our first day. And it's also Rory's birthday party. So we're going to be doing barbacoa burritos and tacos, so it's like a Mexican taco night. And yeah, so we're here. We just got a whole bunch of beef and we're gonna get some tortillas and some cheese and all the fixins. It's gonna be real. Cheese cubes, cheese cubes and cheese sticks, and shredded cheese and cheese squares. I don't know. We just get a lot of cheese. Okay, we survived the Walmart. Now we're off to the beach house. And it looks like it rained while we were out. You want to sit? You want to sit in the cart? There's no room to sit in the cart, okay? No room to sit in the cart right now, okay? Oh, yeah.
Are you videoing, sir?
Yeah?
YouTube channel?
Yeah?
What YouTube channel?
It's called The.Alex.Fam.
The.Alex.Fam.
Yeah.
I'm a car person. I make too much money.
Oh man, my lens is all fogging up. All right, we have arrived at the beach house. Let's give you guys a quick little tour if I knew what the code was, which I don't. Made it inside. Already got a lot of people here, so we're just gonna go look around. Like we got a closet here, elevator and all that jazz. Got the stairs going up there. This should be yeah, Brett and Meg's room. They got a bathroom over here. That's pretty sweet. Okay, we'll head up the stairs. See what we got going on here.
I was like, well, you can get in our car and leave.
All right, hey. All right.
We're
Nice.
just assimilating. The.Alex.Fam.
Yeah, that's us. Oh, who we got here? What's going on? Oh, let's check this out right here. This is probably the important part. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this bad boy. Look at this view. Oh man, we're starting to fog up a little bit. We got a pool right here. I'll take you guys back inside so you can get the rest of the house tour in a second. All right.
You're so strong, and then you're like, oh, okay, let's just bend our entire back.
Okay, got the whole kitchen set up here. Let's see what else is. Oh, there ain't no lights on up here. Hold on. Stand by.
Did you see the elevator?
Yeah. Okay. So, got Maxwell's room right here. Got lots of bunks. Got the bathroom for up here. We got, this should be our room actually. Yeah, street side. Jen's down there starting to unload. Street side king room, TV, and last but not least, the master. Let's see if anybody's in here though. Eric! I'm filming, you guys aren't naked, right?
Now we are. What's up?
Hey, Ava.
Hi, Ava.
You're going in the pool?
We're thinking about it, huh?
Thinking about it? Okay. Okay. That pool, good. That's our pool. That's the one you want to go into. Right there. Oh, look at this. Look at this view. Oh my goodness. All right. We finally made it. It took you guys 2 days, right?
Yeah. With this crew.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. This is nice. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go help Jen unload the car.
All right.
See you guys in a minute.
Let's go outside.
Okay, let's go.
Emma, come on, you come.
Ava, you want to come outside?
Well,
Is that all right? Yeah. I mean, we're just abducting your kid.
Well, I know.
Ooh. Are you coming outside? Okay, that's fine. All right, it gets real foggy, guys. Hey, Rory's coming. It gets real foggy, guys, so hold on, stand by. Come on, guys, let's go. You want to go, Rory? Come on. All right, guys, this is our pool right here. We're gonna get some of this footage later. Picture of the outside of our house. That's the master you guys saw earlier. Let's go out to the water. Come on, Rory. You don't want to walk on the sand? Okay, you want me to hold you? All right. Come here. All right. Ooh. Oh, Dave's got a cramp in his back. Getting too old to be carrying you around. Are you getting too old or something's happening? We have arrived at the beach. This is it. This is the beach. Right, Rory? Is this the beach? Is this the beach? Ah! Evie, where are we at right now? The beach, that's right. No one's at the beach right now. It's probably getting ready to storm. But hopefully we're gonna get some better weather tomorrow. I think that's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time.